Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got my Benefit Brow Kit tutorial for you. The other day I purchased this beauty here, which is the Saccone, I think that's how you pronounce the name. The supernatural brows as well, because I don't like the whole defined brows, and as I'm sure I've gone on about in previous videos, I'm not very good at doing my brows, so I am actually learning at the moment. So the other day I went to a Benefit counter. I had one of the ladies, the lovely makeup artist there, do my brows for me using this kit, and then I purchased this kit. So I'm going to show you what you get inside. So this is what you get inside the kit. I've covered that up there only because So what you get in here is you get two of the Precisely My Brow pencils, and the shades that I've got are 3.5 and 4. Foolproof brow powder here, and inside that is you get this in the shade 3. And there's the two. Let's see if I can open it in here. So that's what that looks like. And over here you've got the 3D brow tones here, and that one is in shade 2. And then you also get the highbrow glow pencil just by here. And then just at the bottom here you get a little spoolie and a little smudge brush and that, just to tidy them up a bit. So all in all, this costs £39.50. Actually £49.50, sorry. Able to use some vouchers that I had for Christmas, and you get it in this cute little box here. The packaging is really nice. It's quite simple, but like I said, it's really nice. You also get the mirror in with that as well. That was the kit there. Like I said, I actually went and got my brows done for me the other day, and I was able to watch her do it. So you get to watch me do mine today. So I will try my best to reenact it as well as she for me. Like real close. I just want you to see what my brows actually do look like. My brows are purely over plucked brows. I was stupid when I was younger and decided it was a good idea to pluck from the top, and you should never pluck your brows from the top. It should always go underneath. So from over plucking, I do have like quite bad gaps in my brows. Yeah, and sorry, you get the really bad roots that are going on in my hair at the moment as well, so sorry. I'm gonna start off with the Precisely My Brow pencil, and this is in the shade 3.5. I love the packaging for these. So that's it, it literally is tiny. And I'm just gonna go in. I'm not going to go in so much on the center with this because I don't feel like there's that much gappage in the middle there. So I'm now going to switch up, and I'm now going to go to the other Precisely My Brow pencil, and this one is in the shade 4. And this is the one that I'm just going to use just on the tail end of the brow. Next up now is the Foolproof brow powder here, which this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go for the lighter shade, and I'm gonna start the lighter shade just on the start of the brow, right up until the arch. I think with this, it just kind of fills in those extra few gaps. And just evens it out a bit more. And then I'm gonna head in on the darker shade, and that then will go just over the tail end. And then this will help then set the brow down. But now I'm gonna use the 3D brow tones, and then this here, when you go over the lashes, then will bring them up and fluff them up a little bit more for you. This one here is in the shade 2, and then the Foolproof brow powder here was in shade 3. So it's this cute little spoolie, as you can see. I'm now going to finish it off, and I'm going to finish it off with the High Brow Glow. This one is just going to go just straight under the brow. So this is the little brush that comes in with it. So I'm just going to use that smudge bit on the end and just blend that in a little bit more. Just going to use this just to tidy it up a little bit. So that is my natural brow. So as you can see, this one here is the completely natural, untouched, and this one here is the one that I've done then with the Benefit Brow Kit. So I'm just going to put the other one on, and then I'm going to come back to you. So that's it. That's my brow look that I've gone for you today, guys. I hope you liked it. I'm definitely giving this a 10 out of 10, this kit. I love it. I've been wanting to get a Benefit Brow product for so long now, and this certainly does not disappoint at all. So I would highly recommend purchasing either this kit here by the Saccone kit for that's the natural brows, or that there is other kits there to go for. So yeah, so definitely big thumbs up for me. If you did enjoy this video, then please give it another thumbs up for me, and just comment down below your thoughts on the video, whether or not you've used any of the Benefit Brow products at all, because I'd love to know your thoughts on it. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Also head over to my Instagram, and then head over to my Twitter account. And until next time, guys, double take care.